folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, U.S.A. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fishing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
Look, there's deer over there. It's a bug. We need to shoot those deer. Did you bring our heading?
The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey.
Oh, big
Lush
deer.
wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise, and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic. Listen. Hear that?
Whoa, ready.
I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put.
Also, if you're trying to go to Big Ride, you're probably sitting in line 70% of the day.
That's what I said.
We really must
I've never had a wait shorter than probably about an hour.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from That way, we're loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you'll join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we arrive at the station, everyone please remain seated on board the train until we come to a full stop, and I give you the all-clear signal when it's safe to exit. Once again, everyone please remain seated, stay on board until we come to a full stop, and I give you the all-clear signal when it's safe to exit. Remain seated, please. Everyone please remain seated. there, welcome to Fantasyland.
Alright,
It's
Judy,
the
welcome to Mom.
presentation, Spotlight, Cycle Run, Tomorrowland, and the
Hey,
rest
Mama,
of
Mama.
Fantasyland. Have a